going to the news?
Yeah, put on the news. I don't even have more views about a guy hopping up and down.
No, you should go hop across the road and stand in front of it. Yeah, go run.
We should get a lot of views. Like, what's up with this kid and running around in this weather?
Go!
Whoa!
I thought he was gone.
Where'd he go?
Jump up and down. No, hold it like the Titanic. Get on the rail like the Titanic. No, because I don't want to get the camera wet. No, get on the railing.
Hold on the railing.
A normal day at cedarkey. Kid just looking at the fishies. He's just looking. And what does he know next? He can lean forward. No, he's leaning forward and the wind's keeping him. Ah!
Dude, that looks intense.
Dude, that looks fun.